I'll share my screen. Screen is visible, students?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. So we'll just give the turn to those set of students who were not able to read yesterday or do the reading activity. So I just want one of you to start from here. Much of what Jacobi talks. Any one of you can just, who's not, who were not part of yesterday's reading session, can unmute yourself so that everybody will get a chance, fair chance. Yeah, anybody can start. Who will be the first one? Who want to read it out? I think Akshay Raj is completed. Am I right? You've got the opportunity, right, yesterday? Uh, Okay. What about Apurva P? You completed Apurva P? Apurva? Okay. Chandrapriya, you finished, I think. Dhanlakshmi, I think even she's done. Dhruvashri, completed. Krutik, I think yesterday you had some technical issue. Can you start reading? Krutik? Krutik R. You'll read, Krutik? Shall I project? I don't know, some issues. Okay, Vaishnavi, MC Vaishnavi. MC Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you do the reading?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Yeah, start from this paragraph. You can start. Yes, yes, you can start.
Much of what Jacobi talks about is hardly earth shattering. She has become an enthusiastic user of video blogs or vlogs, she says, but its pervasive use at a company of Cisco's size and age is probably unusual. With a globalized workforce of highly connected, tech savvy users, the adoption and learning flow both ways to and from Cisco's IT group. Jacobi calls it creating an environment of directed participation in which the tools already being used by Cisco employees are adapted, refined, and sharpened to drive uh, innovation and growth. Our biggest challenge, she says, is just keeping up with where these ideas are going and seeing how we can participate in how they are shaped and focused. One of the
Okay. Yeah, enough, enough. Okay, Vaishnavi, fine. Mansa, next. Will you do
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, only a small paragraph. Yeah, start.
One of the initiatives Jacobi and the team had undertaken is to create an online communication center of excellence where new collaboration tools from wikis to walls to telepresent can be deployed, tested and refined. Videos, she says, is phenomenal effective, particularly when communicating with employees outside the United States. Equally powerful
Okay,
has
okay.
been
Enough, Raj. Okay. Mansa. Okay, next, Maunika. Maunika. You're there, Maunika? Maunika, Emmy. Neha, you finished, right? Yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Netravati?
Finished, ma'am, yesterday.
Okay. Priyanka, AN?
Finished, ma'am, yesterday.
Priyanka, B?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then you continue.
Equally powerful has been Cisco iZone Wiki, a wide forum for new business ideas launched not by IT but by engineering technologies group. Headed by the Martin Debier Leave for 18 months, the wiki has produced 600 ideas for potential $1 billion per annum size ventures, the minimum level of Cisco to get behind a new business, suggested by the company's more than 61,000 employees.
Okay. Next. Rakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
You've not got the chance, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then start from this. Reflecting.
Yes. Reflecting Chambers' mantra that to lead the next phase of the internet, Cisco must constantly reinvent its own
Its own processes.
process. The focus on collaboration has also spurred and reorganization of the company's hierarchy, beginning in the painful 2001 meltdown when Cisco posted a net loss of $1 billion. Chambers led a shift from the usual product sales and marketing other and other functional groups toward a more horizontal, less command and control structure of councils, boards, and task forces.
Okay. Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
The councils focus on 10 billion plus opportunities, the boards on 1 billion opportunities, and the task forces are the implementation of any of the above. Chambers says. It sounds like a somewhat communistic way of reshaping a 35 billion a year company, but for Chambers, this new structure is key to the company's regeneration. The first few years were pretty painful, Chamber admits. It's like anything you do, usually it's not the technology that's your limiting factor. It's people and getting them to change from instead of command and control to collaboration. Cisco, however, makes its living leading technology changes, and the key to Cisco 3.0 will be the most sophisticated and expensive telepresence.
Okay. Shrikant Reddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue. Next paragraph.
eBit's executive assistant Margaret Oshman can be found almost every day outside his office in St. Joe's. Only she's not really there. She's at Cisco office in Richardson, Texas, and she bilocates via telepresence to the cubicle adjoining DBR's office. You can walk by and chat with her anytime. And if you don't remind yourself, you will forget to ask her how the weather is in Central Texas.
Okay. Srinidhi? Srinidhi? Kritik, you want to read out? Okay. Vaiduria?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
Telepresence was the first new product to emerge from DBS Emerging Technologies Group, and it ramped up in record time, from hiring the first engineer in February 2005 to shipping the first external system in December 2006. Among the design principles are telepresence rules, DBS team devised where people will always appear life size, and to initiate a meeting you have to do just one thing. For example, press a button on the handset. If you look behind the curtain as it were, you will see that the whole thing runs through a single Ethernet cable. It's a superb piece of technology.
Okay, enough. Next, Yashaswini. You there? Okay, this paragraph, Cisco.
Cisco is betting on a proprietary approach, says Michael Dango, head of product market competitor Polycom's telepresence group. We think standards-based communications will win eventually. Indeed, Cisco from the chip, which introduced its telepresence system for launch, and from video conferencing leader Polycom, which offers a high-end telepresence system merged, seen as opposed to Cisco's three separate screens approach. Damro notes Polycom is betting on a standards-based system that will interoperate with any standards-based video codecs on the market today. The answer, as you might expect, is that Cisco believes its installed base, its brand power, and its marketing muscle will push enough telepresence units into the market to allow it to become the de facto standard.
Okay, enough. Kritik and Srinidhi, you want to read it out? Hardly one more paragraph is left out. Anybody? Kritik and Srinidhi. Srinidhi. Okay, fine. So last one paragraph, I'll do it. So telepresence itself, says Chambers, will be offered as an on-demand managed service at off-site locations for companies that can't or don't want to invest in their own systems. When interoperability among multiple vendors does come, it will be on Cisco's terms, not industry imposed. If that's not quite Web 2.0 enough for you, well, welcome to John Chambers' world, Cisco 3.0. Coming soon to a 3-screen high-definition surround sound theater near you. Okay, this is the case study. Okay, now the entire case study, what you read through, I don't know how many of you observed keenly or listened very carefully. It's all about the Cisco telepresence tool. Okay, now see, before pandemic, maybe you people were not familiar with the Cisco, WebEx tool, which has been widely or extensively used for teleconferencing or video conferencing. But now since from the time when the pandemic has started, most of us, we are familiar with lot many tools, in fact. So even Cisco WebEx is one of it, right? So this case study is all about how evolution happened from Cisco 1.0 to Cisco 2.0 to Cisco 3.0. Okay, and who were the key persons involved with respect to upgradation or evolving the telepresence tool, so that it is it's used in a wider perspective. Okay, so now there are two activities which I want you to do. Okay, so I'm just I'll take the screenshot of it. Yeah, there are 4 case study questions based on this and real world activities also. I will give real world activities as a small assignment to you. Okay, so real world activity is to go online and search the internet for commercial offerings that compete with Cisco's telepresence products, such as those noted in the case. And whatever is discussed in the case study, it is way back in 2002, 2003, 2006. Okay, but now today we have even more advanced tools with sophisticated a graphical user interface. So you have to do this activity. Okay, and prepare a report comparing and contrasting their features and specifications and justify your selection. Okay, once you compare and contrast various features and specifications, you have to select one which you feel it is more apt with respect to today's digital competitive world. Okay, and you have to justify your selection. Okay, and next is, would it matter whether the purchasing company was large or small? Okay, this is not really related to you. I think till here you can do it. Okay, this is one activity. So go online and search the internet for commercial offerings that compete with Cisco's telepresence product, such as those noted in the case. Prepare a report comparing and contrasting their features and specification and justify your selection. This is for the first activity. And the second one is, put yourself in the place of a newly hired Cisco employee. How comfortable would you feel working on a team distributed across the globe using the technologies described in the case? What would be the major challenges you would face? Break into small groups with your classmates to discuss these issues and explore the reasons behind any conflicting viewpoints. So this activity is something synonym to role play, right? Because you are supposed to play the role of a newly hired Cisco employee. Okay, and what you feel, what is your comfort zone working with such high-end technologies? So that is what you have to discuss, and they have insisted in fact to make small groups, but I suggest you can just pair up with another friend of yours with whom you have a good rapport. So two of you are sufficient to discuss this. Okay, discuss these issues and explore the reasons behind any conflicting viewpoints. So for the second activity, in fact it is a group activity where you can have only exactly two people involved in it. Okay, students, so these two activities I will give it as an assignment, and today, since it's Thursday, you will have sufficient time to submit these two. By Monday I will share the link. You have to again, handwritten only is fine, you can share the PDF. So till Saturday or Sunday the time is given. Monday you have to submit. Is that okay? Yes. Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next is the case study questions here. So you have 4 different questions. What are the main business benefits of the collaboration technologies described in the case? How do these go beyond saving or corporate travel? Provide several specific examples. And Michel Damro of Polycom notes Cisco is betting on a proprietary standard for its telepresence product, while competitors are going with interoperability. Do you agree with Cisco's strategy? Why or why not? Defend your answer. Think about the iZone or Wiki described in the case, Cisco's forum for new business ideas and its seeming success in that regard. Why do you think that is the case? Do these technologies foster creativity, provide an opportunity to communicate already existing ideas, or both? Defend your answer. Okay. So now, even for these case study questions also, I don't want you to write anything, but prepare yourself for these 4 questions, each one of you. Again, time is given for this particular case study question, or to answer these case study questions. In the Monday's class, I will randomly pick 1 or 2 students, okay, or everybody we will involve, okay, at least 2-3 students to give their viewpoints or share their opinions for each of the question. Is that okay, student? So you will be prepared to communicate based on what extracts you will observe, and extract those information insight to frame your answers. Fine. And in some questions you have to justify or defend yourself why you would choose or why you do not choose Cisco's strategy. So it will be a good reading activity in fact, and this case study is present, is available in the textbook as well, whatever ebook I have shared. It is in page number, yeah, so in 333, yeah, 333 is the page number. So you can go through the same case study again to frame your own answer. Whatever points you frame, you should see to it that you are communicating or you are revealing those points when the turn is given to you. Is that okay, students? So I'll just take the screenshot of this and I'm sharing it in your group. So this is the assignment task. It is activity based. Activity based. Deadline for submission or preparation is Monday, May, what is the date? 6, oh, Monday 10th, okay. May 10th, 2021, okay, in the class. So I have shared. So only the real world activities you have to do it, okay, write it in the sheet and then you have to present, okay. The answers, case study answers, you will prepare yourself. You will get the chance to answer or defend yourself when your turn comes. Whereas the real world activities, you have to do it by pairing up with another friend with whom you have a good rapport and discuss and prepare a common report. Okay, report in the sense, again, it is just writing your viewpoints. Fine, students. So now that's it for today. I don't have much. You can in fact start working upon the assignment whatever I have given. Okay, somebody is share some message. 1 minute. Ma'am, page is not visible. Okay, Kritik, you had the issue of this. Everybody had this issue. Kritik has reported around 242 that page is not visible. Kritik, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not able to see my screen. Now I have stopped. Just check now.
No, ma'am.
Then there is some issue with respect to your device through which you are joining the class. Check
Okay,
now. Do
No, ma'am.
Google Chrome is not visible to you?
No, ma'am.
How about others?
It is visible, ma'am.
Yeah, you
It's visible.
then yeah, it's visible to all, Kritik. It's only some issue with respect to your device. I think you're using you have joined the class through your phone or through your laptop.
Phone, ma'am.
Phone. Then there is some issue.
Okay.
See, it's not the thing that you have to join the class through your laptop or desktop. Even you can join through your mobile phone, but still the screen which is being shared, it will be visible. Okay, there's some issue. Just check. Fine. This is happening only today or for all my classes?
Today, only today, ma'am.
Only today. Okay, fine. We'll see. Okay, then the CR is being changed for your class students. The class representative, are they changed or they remain the same?
No, ma'am. I spoke to Pankaja, ma'am. I even asked her to change, but then she said to continue, ma'am.
Okay, so yourself and Jeet Roy are only the CRs.
Yes, ma'am.
I think today you have a meeting scheduled at 4 p.m. Are you aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any other issues, students? Because I've not interacted as such as a class as a whole. But still I'll take some time because I think yesterday, day for yesterday and today, still the quality control meeting is going on with other batches as well. So I thought after all those meeting outcomes is being drafted, the resolution is made. so that I will discuss later based on whatever inputs they have collected, class wise. It could be from your 4th sem juniors or your class 6 sem or your seniors 8th sem. So I thought once I get the minute outcome, the meeting outcome, I will be conducting one class meeting. Okay, that is the reason I've just put on hold. So when is your first IA scheduled? Any idea? Have you seen the calendar of events, students?
Yes, ma'am. 24th May.
24th May. Okay, fine. Okay. All are doing well? Srinidhi? Srinidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can hear me. What happened when I asked you to read out?
Don't know, ma'am. Network problem, I guess.
Network problem. Okay. I think the message which was posted in your personal group to submit the assignment, only 20 students have posted now. Sorry, 24. The remaining 2, I don't know. Varun is not joining the classes at all. Any serious issue with respect to him? Srinidhi will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
knowing much better. What
Yes,
happened?
ma'am. Actually, his mother has tested positive, and so he's looking after her, ma'am.
Is her condition very critical or how is it?
Actually, critical, I guess, ma'am. He was searching for bed. She's in ICU, I guess, now, ma'am.
ICU? Which
Yeah,
hospital? Which
KK,
hospital?
KK Hospital, Yelahanka.
Yelahanka. Okay. Fine. I'll just share you some contact numbers. Okay. You just see if you can forward to him and if it will be of any kind of help to him. Okay.
No, ma'am. Now, bed. He got the bed, ma'am. No worries in that.
Okay. Fine. Is she stable? Is the condition stable now or
Yeah,
still?
she's okay now with some ma'am. So she's
Mhm.
recovering. She's recovering now.
How about other family members? Are they tested positive or
No,
they?
ma'am. Everyone are tested negative.
Okay. Okay. What is the issue with Kushal? Even Kushal is irregular.
Even he has same problem, ma'am.
ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಎಲ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ರನ್ನ?
ಆ,
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
Okay then. Okay students, take care because we don't know, even the healthy person is also been tested positive and I one more shocking news, I mean in fact it is disheartening as well. You people were familiar with Professor Chandra Prasad of Mechanical Department, students?
Ma'am.
Yeah, he passed away in fact last week, so it's very sad news in fact. So we don't know the person who's there today. Over the night, things are not happening, in the way it should happen. So every day, every early morning, we keep hearing, some bad news is that a sad demise of so and so. And in fact, a lot of faculty members across various engineering colleges in Bangalore alone, whom we know personally, whom we know through some other contacts also, at a very young age, they have lost their life. Very, very young age. Maybe only in 30s, 35, not even more than 35. Between 30 to 35, they have lost their life. It's very sad. So take care, because there are predictions that even the third wave also will be even more worse than the current second wave. So just don't take things very lightly. Take care. Okay, take care of your family members, take care of yourself. And vaccination, anybody got the vaccination first dose? Because from May 1st onwards, it was 18 years and above. Anybody? Even I have registered, I have not got, I have received a message saying that the schedule will be informed to me. I don't know, till now I have not received any message. Anybody who's got the message and was completed with the first dose in this forum? Have you registered, first of all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, you have done the registration and waiting for the schedule. Is that the scenario?
No, ma'am. Today I'm going to take.
Okay. So you voluntarily go and you get the vaccine, is it? Or you have got the message to appear to any
No,
of the nearest
volunteer.
vaccination center? A volunteer, I don't know. Okay, let just update me if that is the case. Even I will go and get it done. But like in my network, they said that we will be getting the message because there are a lot of registrations happening. That is what I got to know. Anyway, anybody else who got the jab? Nobody? Register and see to it that you're getting the vaccination at the earliest, students. Okay. Okay, then fine. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you.